Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Allahumma salli ala Muhammadin wa ala ali Muhammadin kama sallaita ala Ibrahim wa ala ali Ibrahim innaka Hamidum Majid. Allahumma barik ala Muhammadin wa ala ali Muhammadin kama barakta ala Ibrahim wa ala ali Ibrahim innaka Hamidum Majid. I'm going to present two ahadith of the Holy Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. First one is from Bukhari and the second is from Muslim. The first hadith is as follows. An Ibn Umar qala farada Rasulullah Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam Zakat-ul-Fitr sa'an min tamrin aw sa'an min shahidin al-abdi wal-hurri wal-zakari wal-unsa والصغير والكبير من المسلمين وأمر بها أن تؤدى قبل خروج الناس إلى الصلاة. The translation is that Hazrat Ibn Umar radhiyallahu ta'ala anhu said, the Messenger of Allah made the charity of the Fitr, one sa of dates or one sa of barley, obligatory on every slave and free man, male and female, minor and major, from among Muslims, and ordered that it should be paid before people go out for Eid prayer. So according to this hadith, it is obligatory. It's not voluntary, it's obligatory on every Muslim that he should pay Sadaqa-tul Fitr before the Eid. And here in this country, 2 pounds per head are fixed. So that means every head of the family is supposed to pay 2 pounds per head as Sadaqa-tul Fitr before he comes for the Eid. The second hadith is from the book of Muslim, and it says, An Abi Ayyub radhiyallahu ta'ala anhu anna Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam qala man sama Ramadana summa atbahu sittan min shawalin kana kasiyam ad-dahr. The translation is that Hazrat Abu Ayyub radhiyallahu ta'ala anhu relates that the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, one who observed the fast throughout the month of Ramadan, then followed by fasting on the 6 days of Shawwal, is as good as if he observed the fast throughout the year. So, after Ramadan, one day is the day of Eid, and then after that, there are 6 days of voluntary fast, and this was also the practice of the Holy Prophet ﷺ, and he has encouraged the Muslims by saying this, that if you do this, it will be considered as if you have observed fast for the whole year. Because every good deed is rewarded 10 times. And this is mentioned in the Quran Sharif and also in the Hadith. So this is how, if for example there are 30 days of the month of Ramadan plus 6 days of the Shawwal, and so if you multiply 10 times, it will be near 360. So that's generally what it means, that you are fasting for the whole year.